Hi, this is Jin here. So I'm actually recording this video to provide a video testimonial for Patrick Chan's CD Passive Income Program. Now, why am I doing this today? Because of this year. Yeah, this year. This is actually a check sent by ClickBank, which is the marketplace where this product CB Passive Income is actually produced and is available for promotion for affiliates. Now, you may be wondering, why is this? Am I showing you an empty envelope? Yeah, it's here. The reason is because I've basically just banked in my check this morning. Yeah, this is the proof of the check that I've banked in at Public Bank, which is a local bank in Malaysia. So, cutting the story short, I am just pretty much elated because since now is November, October, September. Since September onwards, I've actually been starting to promote this program passively, and through such efforts, I'm actually able to make up to date about 400 plus US dollars. US dollars, yes, US dollars for me, Malaysian, US dollars. It's quite interesting for me because it's something I've never thought before that is possible, especially going online, promoting things, and actually finding people who wants to use such products. But I can tell you for sure is that it's really a great product. In fact, yesterday Patrick just messaged me to tell me that I've made another 3 sales. Fancy that, 3 sales, which means probably in 2 weeks time I'll be getting another check. I'm actually very happy about it because this is a program that in fact has several proven points that is good. Number one, it's actually a product that is digital, meaning to say that I don't have to keep inventory whatsoever even if I want to promote this program. Number two, this program has actually been going on for about 3 years plus now, so meaning to say that it's a product that is known in the market, and even despite that, it's still growing very strongly within the market itself. That says a lot. And number three, and this is important, products, if you produce and you just leave it aside, you may get a sale or two. But what makes this evergreen, which means that it can continuously get sold, is actually that Patrick actually puts in the effort together with his team to upgrade and update the products. Currently, this is already in version 3. In fact, I was told that version 4 will be coming up very soon, which means that promotion is going to be very much more awesome, and I believe that I will be able to make much more commissions from there because of all the new technologies and things that is going to be input into place. So I'm just recording this again. Patrick and team, thank you so much for all the efforts that you've put into. I look forward to promoting much more awesome products made by your company. And yes, again, thank you so much. Bye.